Here is the next thing. There is a movie which has been released recently on Sri Jagannath Dasru. Many of you might be aware of this. Please do watch it. If you are in the United States, there is a OTT channel which is available. I am told KOTT dot. I can't see the full address. It's KOTT.tv. You can read that. You can watch it there, and you can. There is a Facebook group as well as it's available on YouTube, and there's an official trailer and all this. Recently, they had screening of this in several theaters in the US, is what I understand, and it is all set for a theater release in India. I had the opportunity to watch the movie's premiere. It's a beautiful, very well made film. It is not just talking about Sri Harida of Sri Jagannath Dasaru's life, but also giving many lessons on Dasas on Dvaita Sahitya itself, which I think has been very well done. Extremely rich musical content, as you would expect in any story of on any Dasa Sahitya topic. Many kritis have been rendered beautifully by the actors themselves. Many of them are people who are acting for the first time. But when you watch the movie, it doesn't look like an amateurish effort at all. It's very done very professionally and very well done. This is part one. This will be followed by the second part where they will speak. There is a movie which is being shot only on Harikatamritsara. The first part is on Sri Jagannath Dasa's life.